Welcome back, and here are my Amazon must-haves as a full-time traveler. For the last 9 months, I've lived out of these bags, so here's some things you will never see me traveling without. I will link all of these products below separately and my Amazon storefront if you want to shop all of my Amazon must-haves. Now, clearly I love pink, so of course I got the 6-pack of the luggage set. It came with 2 large luggage bags, a small one, a carry-on bag with not this one, and then a little personal item. Next, we have my carry-on bag. Now, I love this bag because it hooks right to the back of the luggage bag. Now, this is pretty beat up. This is actually a personal item. It fits right under the seat, and they've never said this bag was too big. It has a charging port. This is where I put my toothbrush. A cushioned spot for my laptop. A few months ago, I even traveled an entire month in Vietnam in just this bag. So let me just tell you, it fits a lot. And it has a spot for my passport. Now, I do keep a few toiletries in my personal item. I also bring full-size bottles of my beauty products, so this fits everything. And it even has a hanger so you can just hang it up. I can't even tell you how much this weighs. You do not need to put everything in there, but I do. So it has my makeup brushes, makeup, suntan lotion. It's a 10. Perfume. Now, other than having a hanger, the other thing I love the most about this is it fits right on my luggage bag. Even though I put this in my large luggage bag, if I wanted to use it as a personal item and didn't have full-size bottles in there, I could. Next up is my matching luggage tags. They're pink and purple and blue marble, and I love them. The best part about this is you can put your name, address, phone number in case for some reason your luggage bag gets lost at the airport. Mine hasn't. But in case it does, they can find you very easily. I put these on every single one of my bags. Now, I've mentioned this in my other videos. This is mostly for Southeast Asia travel, but bring your own tampons. These are travel size. I brought, I think, 3 or 4 huge boxes of them because they're $1 a piece here. And if you do the math, you're going to be spending a lot of money on tampons. They don't even have applicators or anything, so they're not even the nice ones. Next up is my locks. Now, this one sucks, so don't buy that one. But this one is the best. It is lightweight, it goes right into the zipper, and it keeps everything safe, especially if you're staying in hostels. I highly recommend locking everything. My luggage bags also have locks already installed in them right here. But for all your bags that don't have locks already installed, make sure you have locks on all of your zippers. Okay, next is my eye mask. This is seriously the best mask I've ever found in my entire life. It is comfy. It has this like little extra layered cushion. So most of the time my makeup doesn't even get messed up. So if I'm on the airplane, it blacks out everything. And I probably look so silly. It blacks out everything and doesn't even mess up my makeup. So this is a must-have. Honestly, I use this every night, not even just on the plane, but this is a must, especially for Southeast Asia, like Nepal, India, Bali, anything with monsoon season. Make sure you have an umbrella, preferably a smaller one like this, because it rains so much and you want to make sure you have a travel size umbrella so that you can just put that in your bag and get it out, because it will start raining like that. I bring these everywhere I go. Little universal chargers. This plugs into any wall outlet. Doesn't matter where I'm at. I always have one that I need. And I carry these everywhere. Best part is it has a space for my laptop right here, so it can just go right into the wall. I always have at least 2 of these with me. Southeast Asia can get so hot, so I always have a fan with me. And then this one has a little sprayer, and it's small enough that I can just go in my purse and I can carry it wherever I need. Now, this is more for full-time travelers because I know we need some downtime, but I always bring an HDMI cord because we love to watch Netflix, and sometimes they don't have Netflix installed into the TV, so we can just get Netflix on our laptop, plug in the HDMI cord, and watch Netflix. Next up are our medications. I know this looks really sketchy, but I tried to condense the size. You probably shouldn't do this, but I got activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a must when traveling to countries like Nepal, India, Bali. This has literally saved our life so many times, it pretty much sucks all the toxins out. So if you eat something a little sketchy, or you start to have a stomach ache, or start to have food poisoning, take these immediately and it will save you. And always, always, always when going to those types of countries, start your trip by taking probiotics. These are my favorite. It's 60 billion probiotics. And also make sure you start taking these about a week before your trip. And then for my content creators out there, I always have a mic, some lighting. Like, look at the difference between the lighting and no lighting. So this is a must. And I always have my GoPro, especially for action shots and underwater. This is the GoPro 10. And the thing I'm actually recording on is my selfie stick. I will not go anywhere without this because it's also a tripod. Next up is my portable laundry bag. So clearly this can fit a lot in there. This is really useful when you're traveling somewhere for at least a week or even 5 days, so you can put all your dirty laundry in there. And then, I'm not going to take all this out now, but it squishes down into pretty much nothing and goes right into my luggage bag. And then lastly, packing cubes. I probably bring about 6 of these to organize everything. This is my pants, shirts. I have one just for bathing suits, sleep clothes, workout clothes, bras and socks, and then the little ones for my underwear. And I actually have 2 of these, one for my period underwear, so all my black ones, and then my regular underwear. And then something a little extra, always have just small little bags like these. I'm OCD, so I have to have everything organized. So I've got my jewelry, makeup. I have like 8 other small ones in my big one. And then I even bring extra ones just in case. Well, that's everything for today. So like I said, I will link each individual item below, as well as my entire Amazon storefront, so you can shop all of my Amazon finds. Just a reminder, my name's Nini. I've been traveling full-time with my boyfriend Isaac for 9 months now. We are currently in Vietnam, but next week we go to Sri Lanka. We travel on about $35 a day. I post all the travel hacks, travel tips, how to budget travel, what to do in the places we go, and all things travel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.